Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to permanently delete your Facebook page in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come here on facebook.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now you can also follow the same steps in your Facebook mobile application. You just have to log in into it. Then click on your profile icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, this is going to show you your actual profile that you are using. But here, when you click on your profile icon, you will see all of the pages that you have on this particular profile. So you need to select that particular page which you want to basically delete, and you need to switch to your page profile just like so. Now, as you can see, this is my page profile which I'm currently using. So here now click on the option of your profile icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then go to settings and privacy. Then click on the option of settings. Over here in your settings, you just have to simply hover over to the left hand side. Here in the bottom of it, you will find the option of access and control. So this is what we want. Now you can also use the search bar here on the top and you can directly search for access and control. Once you are able to find it here in the search result, you need to simply click on it. Now you will be landed here on this deactivating, unpublishing, deleting this Facebook page. So here if you want to deactivate it, which is basically temporarily going to deactivate your account, you can select the deactivation option. But if you are certain to permanently delete your account, simply select the option of delete page, then press continue here in the bottom. Now, before permanently deleting your page, you need to make sure that you download all of the information that was available on your page and you can transfer a copy of your information too. Once you have done that, simply press continue here in the bottom. Now you need to provide the password associated with your account, then press continue here on the bottom. On the next page, you just have to confirm that you are deleting your page and your page will be removed from your actual profile. Now, Facebook is going to give you a 30-day grace period during which you can cancel your deletion. After that, Meta is going to remove it permanently. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.